everyone, Christine here with Essentially Styled, which is the name of my group, and I am fortunate enough to be able to be repping Lila Rose during this event. So I'm miss doing shows. I'm a showgirl, especially this time of year. So when this opportunity came up to join this group, I was really excited to be able to get out to share some of the Lila love with you ladies, and I'm excited about that. So welcome to my booth. And then I'm going to converse with you and try and talk with you just as if you're at my booth. So if you have questions and I don't get to it or don't see it as I scroll by, I'll try and cover that later on after I'm done the video. But I do want to introduce you to the amazing Flexi and the Flexi Flips, which the Flexi Flip is a brand new product. But I'm going to start by explaining to you why the Flexi is so unique. Now, if you are one of the ladies who have super fine thin hair or super thick curly hair that break claws on a regular basis, you are going to love Lila Rose. Lila Rose gets that a one size fits all does not work for all. Many ladies are just unable to use your traditional ponytails, or they have to wrap an elastic 5 times around a ponytail to get it to hold, if it holds at all. And then when you take it out, it's damaging and breaking the hair. So Lila Rose is about protecting your hair and just helping you style it in a lot of different ways. I'm passionate about doing videos with our products to show you the many ways. So I'm going to show you several ways, and you can skip through if you're watching the replay to just catch the styles. I'll try to keep the talking to a minimum because I know your time is valuable. So I'm going to start by sharing about the Flexi first. And like I said, it comes in 7 sizes. So this, just to show you the variation. Whoops, that's upside down. If I can get him here. The mini and the mega, 7 sizes. So the extra small, which we refer to as our mini, is just teeny tiny, works at the end of a braid for just a little bit back, or really fine thin hair. I have had a lady that was able to do a French twist with a mini. So, and she was thrilled. We both were in tears by the time she left the booth. So minis are great for everybody, and I even have tutorials on my YouTube channel, which I will also post below later, on how anyone can wear a mini. We also have the mega. Now, not everybody can wear a mega. This is for ladies with super thick or very long hair. It holds a ton of hair. And they typically, I am going to post a sizing video down below with a little more detail. I'm not going to take time to talk a lot about sizing to keep it short, but you can click on that to get more specific sizing. And there is also a sizing video on the website itself. So that's the mega and the mini, and set total of 7 sizes. So 5 sizes in between those. Now I'm going to show you, if you noticed, the mini, that's called Juliet, and that is the I Love You sign. And just as a shout out, it is Deaf Awareness Month, and next week I believe is the specific Deaf Awareness Week. So I teach ASL classes, and so I am a huge fan of Juliet, and we all cheered very loudly when they came out with that. We also have, speaking of awareness, with October coming up, we also have an awareness ribbon. And these are available in the U-pins and the Flexis, and you can get the color charm to match the cancer cause or the cause color that you might have. I know there are different causes, not just cancer, that use the awareness ribbons. So those charms are available to match up with that as well. So just something to be aware of as October is right around the corner. Now today, to show you most of these styles, I am going to be using Copper Rose. This is currently out of stock, but it is a gorgeous clip, if you can see that. The cranberries and the copper, it's just really pretty. It went with my shirt. But if you see something online, if you're going to the website and you see something that's not available, either it's out of stock, sold out, let me know. I have a large inventory because I'm usually doing shows this time of year. So if I can help you out, I will, from my inventory directly. So just let me know if you're something that you want that's out of stock. But getting right to it. So what is a Flexi? A Flexi, other than having 7 sizes, it is made out of piano wire, so it's flexible. And then it has this pin that slides along the bar that's attached so you can't lose it, another perk. And this bar has 3 to 4 notches on the pin that allow you to put different amounts of hair in, so that when you find your size, and again, check out that video below, but what I refer to as your size is what a ponytail holds and what will hold a ponytail. in your hair. So I'm a small, that's the third size up. We have extra, extra small, small, and then it goes on up. So I'm going to show you just the difference between a ponytail will make rather than an elastic. Not only is it less damaging in your hair, it looks so much nicer. So that is, and you saw how easy that was to do. I'm going to do that again just so you can see it because it was so quick. I'm just going to put the pin over or under the hair. Okay, then the flexible part flexes over that, and that pin slides along, and then it catches on one of those notches, and it holds all day. So with the Flexis, one of the things about it is that the tension is on the hair itself, okay? So it's not pulling on your scalp. That's why you don't get what I call a hair ache at the end of the day, or if you get headaches a lot from having your hair pulled so tight. It's because the nerve endings are pulling on, or the nerve endings in your scalp are being tugged on all day. So because this doesn't pull on your scalp, it's on the hair, which lacks nerve endings. So the tension, which is why fit is important. So make sure you watch that sizing video or ask me questions. But that's what separates the Flexi and really all of the Low Rose products apart, is because they're not pulling on your scalp, which is awesome. Now, this is a low ponytail. I can also do that same size if I do it in a high pony. So with that same idea, put it under, it flexes over, pull that. Now I have a high pony. So you can do that, finding your ponytail size. There's a coin system to kind of figure out your base size. If we get your size wrong, there is a return. Within 30 days, it's on us, and you don't have to pay any shipping. So we want you to be happy, and we want you to have the right size. So, but always, if you're between trying to decide, go smaller than bigger, because most returns are for a smaller size. So there's the pony, and there are multiple ways. I even have a video with 17 different ponytail styles using all our different products, but it was 45 minutes, so I'm not going to share that one, but you're welcome to go check it out if you'd like. So, all right, the next thing I'm going to try is a half back with that same Flexi, same size, still a small. I'm going to put the pin under, grab a little bit, flex it over, put it through, and that's going to hold just like that. So that's a half back. I can twist with that same, just to show you just the variety with that same idea. I'm going to take my hair this time and give it a little bit of a twist, that upper part, and then bump it up. And if you can see the difference between there and bumping it up. Now I grab a little bit of hair from underneath on both sides to anchor it, and then I can even kind of pull that hair out just for a little different look. Okay, so I can also, now I would typically, for this next style, I would typically go down to an extra small for a little bit smaller size, but I'm only going to take just a little bit back and come down for a loose, casual, more loose kind of boho style. And if you have curly hair, this works really well. It'll still hold, but you can get a smaller, but it's still secure, but you can get a lot of different looks from just one clip. So that's a couple different ponytails and halfbacks. Now I am going to show you a tails up. Actually, I'm going to turn around. This is if you're used to using a claw. This would be kind of the go-to style that you're probably used to. And I usually swing mine over to the side unless my hair is still wet from the morning and I can place the curls where I want them. So there would be like just kind of like you would use the claw. Now I can, like I said, if it was wet in the morning, I could go both sides. I can even kind of flip it over if I like. But that one, it kind of depends on where the hair falls. Most of the time it's one and done. I rarely have to redo it when I try something. In fact, some of my favorite styles I found by accident when I was trying to do something else. So another one I'm going to show you is, it's kind of a half bun, half pony. We call it the Toney tail because I don't really know what style. It's similar to a tails up, except that it's just a little more finished. So there you go. Hopefully you can see that. Hopefully, if I'm upside down or sideways, would someone please let me know? I sure hope that's not the case. And I hope I'm in the right spot. So that was half bun, half pony. Now I want to show you a French twist. This is what I call a cheat French twist. So I'm going to take my thumb, I hook it over, my hair over my thumb, and then I'm going to twist it up, keeping it up in the upward direction. So just keep pulling up, and you can see as it pulls that hair up through, I'm going to tuck that in, and then kind of bring that hair over a little bit. I'm going to grab hair from both sides. This is still with the small. Now I can size up to a medium if I want with that, but if I go toward the top, you can see that. Let me grab my mirror and see if that did right. Yeah, not my best French twist, but you can see that that will hold all of those styles with just one flexi clip. So really happy with the small for me. So again, you start with your ponytail size. I can help you find that. So be sure and let me know. Now the Flexi Flip is a new, completely new design that is similar to the Flexi, but even better. It comes in 3 sizes. Let me see if I can get some representative sizes here. Okay, so these are the 3 sizes. It's considered small, medium, and extra. That's how they decided to name them. But with the small, it'll fit everything from a mini, which is our extra, extra small, all the way up to our small. The medium will fit small, medium, and large, I believe. I think so. And I'm sorry, these are still fairly new, so I'm still learning them. And then the extra fits extra large, large, and medium. So they are made out of semi-precious stones. Let me show you the variety. This is called Keisha. It has the purple semi-precious stones. We have Heather, again in the rose gold. This is called Kristen. And these were named, hopefully I can still remember all these. These were named after our director. So when they name them after girls' names, I kind of get lost. But these, I know these ladies, so it makes it easier. This is Lisa, and this is the one I'll be demonstrating. It's kind of just this really pretty iridescent. Then we have, I'm not sure what just happened. Hopefully we're still here. This one is Caroline, has the blues and green. I'm still hoping, I was telling somebody I'm lapis lazuli, I'm really hoping for. And then we have Kathy, which has a kind of a Dalmatian bead. It's so pretty. I forget the full name of the precious stone that is, but it's a Dalmatian something. Really, really pretty. So the difference with the Flexi Flips is that you can get generally 3 sizes out of 1 clip. So this is the small. So we have, or I'm sorry, this is the medium. I'm sorry. We have a small, medium, and extra. So this is the medium, which fits the, I believe it's extra small, small, and medium. I believe, yes. So the difference is with the traditional Flexi, it's curved, you fit the hair in, and it fits over on the notches I was talking about. Well, with the Flexi Flip, there are notches on both sides of the pin. So that when you flip, so this is the traditional way, when you flip this over with the curved side in, there's a lot less space for hair, so it will fit tighter. So you can get a lot more sizes out of these. I have loved these for a great fits for a medium. I like this one for my French twist, which I will show you. I can use it for my, I'll start with my ponytail just to show you real quick. It works the exact same way as the Flexis. So you have that. And then with that same clip, now I have learned to be able to do the French twist with my small, but a medium is my preferred choice. But with the flip, it's really quite simple. So I'm going to put that under, it flexes, and this time it's actually curved with my head, but you could do it either way. I can get that to, when it curves with my head, it's a little harder to get it to bend, like so. Okay, so very versatile, and that's Lila Rose is all about getting the most bang for your buck. The products, there are many things that are even below $10. Most of the Flexis, the minis, are going to run from $11 to the megas are like $32. Now we have some blingy ones with dangles that go up a little more. They're in the $37 range. And our most expensive thing we have is like $40, and that's got Swarovski crystals in it. It's a swerve that I will be showing you tomorrow. So I'm gonna be back tomorrow with swerves and U-pins to show you a little bit about that. All of our hair products are very non-damaging to your hair. They're going to protect your hair. We don't need to cause more breakage as we age. We don't want that, so we want to protect our hair as much as possible, and Lila Rose has gone all out to do that and to help you have comfortable hair, versatile hair, and functional hair accessories that are gorgeous. So if you have questions, please let me know. If you're looking for my posts or anything Lila Rose, you can use this group is searchable, or you can use the topics tabs. I always forget what it's called, but if you search over at the topics tabs, you'll see Lila Rose, and it'll pull up all of those. It goes for the other vendors too. If you're looking for 31 or Pampered Chef, whatever it is, you can search those and find those posts, because I know there's a lot of posting going on and lots of opportunities to win. So good luck for all of that. And I will be posting again later this evening, so be looking for another prize post from me. And I will be back tomorrow with swerves and U-pins. If you see a particular style you want demonstrated, either on one of the other pictures that I posted already, please let me know. I'd be happy to demonstrate it now through this event. Just let me know. Well, I hope you guys have a great day, and be sure and give this a like. If you want to see something, let me know. And if you're already a fan of Lila Rose, would you share why you love Lila Rose? I'd really appreciate it and love to hear from you. All right, we'll talk to you guys later. Have a great day. Good luck. Bye.